Hey guys, this is Steve. In this video we're going to be doing step 3 of the steps on how to create your own blog and host it and do whatever you're wanting to do with it, which is maybe a hobby, maybe a business, maybe monetizing, whatever. So we covered step 1, which is passion. We covered step 2, which was the domain name and hosting, which by the way, if you're watching this, I recommend going up to blogging tools, coming down here and using Bluehost for your host, and that way this video will make a lot of sense. I'm going to go ahead and go back here and go through step 3, which is installing your WordPress on your domain name. This is a really simple process. It shouldn't take too long. So what you need to do is you need to go over to Bluehost and log in, and if you have other blogs, it's gonna sometimes it wants to do updates for those, which you should do those. But for now I'm going to show you what to do. What you need to find is this icon right here called Simple Scripts. Click on that and it's going to pull up any domain name that I've installed so far for a blog. So once we get this going, it shouldn't take too long here. I don't know why it's timing out, but those are some of the ones I've already installed. And what you want to do is scroll down here and you want to install blog. You want to find WordPress and you click on that, and those are the ones that need updating. But what we want to do is we want to go install a new one, a brand new one. And so this varies. Sometimes it goes right away, and sometimes for whatever reason it wants to take its sweet time loading. So once this loads up, then I'll be able to show you this. Okay. Where would you like to have it installed? So there should be a list of domain names when you click here. If this is your very first domain name, this should be your only option. But because I'm trying to select a new one, I'm going to select a new one that I just got, which is Deals in Montana. And so after you select the domain name that you want, you can go to step 2 and display. You're going to put your username and your password right here, and that's going to allow you to log into your WordPress account. So that's really important to remember. So make sure that you pick something that you're going to know and that you're going to remember. Write it down just in case you don't receive an email on it. Make sure this is checked just to automatically create a new database. That's fine. There's some other things they want to try to have installed. I don't want any of those things on there. So, and then step 4, you click that you've read this. Once you've read it before, just go ahead and click on that, and then you want to hit complete. And once you hit complete, it's going to basically create your WordPress on your blog or on your domain name, and then it's going to have a completion page, and it's going to show that it's complete, and then you're actually already done with step 3. So you should when you click complete, it's going to complete it for you, and then it's going to show your domain name, and it's going to show how to log in, and it's going to show your username and your password after you've done that. So once you've done that, you've successfully installed WordPress on your domain name, and you should be able to actually log in to your newly installed WordPress on your domain name. So if you have any questions, you can comment on the video, or you can comment on the blog post and just ask me questions if you get stuck. Okay? Thanks. That's all for now.